Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Porsche of Nashua, we have the 2026 Porsche Cayenne Turbo Electric. They're actually going to be having an event Thursday, September 10th, 2026, to actually come check out this car. This one's going to be relatively quick because they have a customer here to drive it, so I want to get it back to them as soon as possible. So, new infotainment system, very, very cool. Tons of storage. Let's go take this thing for a ride. You have the active sport sound, which is pretty darn cool. This exterior color is pale blue metallic. Perfect. (1,139 horsepower, which when you push the center of this drive mode screen, it will give you all of it as a push to pass. So let's do that. And you're up to speed very quickly. That's just downright impressive. That is what I love about this car. It's got full rear wheel steering. It's got that Porsche feel. Every EV I drive, it's how do I describe it? There's no character, there's no soul. This one, there's a ton of soul. I'm gonna go slow down a little bit. That is phenomenal. That is absolutely phenomenal. I do love this screen. I don't know if it's flickering for you guys. Sometimes these mess with the refresh rate of the camera, but this interior is awesome. Seats are phenomenal. This one's stickers here for $189. So that is actually much more affordable than I thought. I thought these were going to be $250, but $189, that's a really good price for, you know, these things can absolutely destroy Uruses and Purosangues. This is very, very impressive. Man, what a car. I know this is a shorter video, but honestly, we're in the business of selling cars, so if a customer's here to drive it, I will keep my time short. But you got a good little taste of the Cayenne Turbo. Thank you very, very much to Porsche of Nashua for allowing me to come out and drive this thing. This is very, very cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.